Annually, it's important to remove our safety relief valve and soak it in hot soapy water for 24 hours. This is a procedure that ensures that the safety relief valve releases pressure at 14 psi as a safety. To start, we need to take and make sure we have no pressure in the fry pot. Our pressure gauge is at 0. I unscrew the dead weight, as this would be in the way if I didn't, and set this aside. Next, I take an adjustable wrench, and you can see I want to grab the safety relief valve on the hex head here. It's kind of the nut right on here. Don't use a pipe wrench on the bare metal down here. It'll twist that off. And so find a good spot here. And we want to turn. And then I can twist it the rest of the way by hand. And at this point, then I would take the safety relief valve, put it in a solution of hot soapy water. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and soak it for 24 hours. After I soak it for 24 hours, I'm going to reassemble this, take my pipe thread sealant, just add a little bit to one side of the threads, and thread that carefully back into the elbow. It's being careful not to cross thread. Go hand tight, and then we're going to use the wrench to bring it back around here. And don't forget to put your dead weight back together. And we're complete.